Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fresh Techno Rahi. In this video we will see two basic problems with any Android car stereo. Number one, once you start logo is not appearing. Number two, your car stereo never shut down. Let's see the first problem. Let me shut down the system by removing the key. It normally takes 45 to 60 seconds to completely shut down the system after you remove the key. To save time, I have just fast forwarded the video. You can see once I start the car again, it directly comes to the dashboard without showing the logo. Now we will see the second problem, that our car stereo never shut down. To check that, go to the Android settings, click on the system and then click on the about car. At the end you can see uptime. Usually if your system is not shutting down, this time will be into days. Fortunately, there is only one solution for both of these problems. Go to car settings and then go to the factory settings. Press 8888 as password and click on OK. Now in this new window, go to Engineering Test Dubbing. Enter the password 269599910 and click on enter. I have added this password into the description also. Usually by default you will be in user mode and you will not able to shut down the system and not able to see the logo. Change this to the last option, direct shutdown mode, and click on OK. Go back and switch off the car again. Give it 45 to 60 seconds to completely shut down and then start the car. To save time, I have just fast forwarded the video. Now start the car with the key and you can see the logo. By the way, to check how to set logo for a specific car, you can check the link above. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.